Hey there, Fatty here from Pack a Punch Traders. Just want to make a quick video lesson going over multi-day bounces and how gap ups affect it when on the bounce day it gaps up massively. Great example, I would say, recently, SST. This one, made a whole video lesson in the live stream going over this. Highly anticipated bounce of mine. Was waiting for this bounce play and it just gapped up, and that was really frustrating. So wasn't able to trade it the way I was. It was just really choppy throughout the whole day, and I think that's mainly because it really gapped up and a lot of shorts already got out right at the open and pre-market. And so we got some movement here, but it was all just back and forth, back and forth. You get a solid gap up continuation today, but intraday here, what I usually look for, if it gaps up more than like 10-15%, I'm kind of done with it. In my mind, there's not much of an angle left to trade it because the fuel behind the move is short covering to lock in their profits. And if we already get a decent squeeze, I'm kind of done. There's nothing really left for me to do. So it is really just to protect myself because it could work out as well. An example would be CLVR, one that I traded a while back. Here we are this day. No, I'm going with 5 minute, might be more clear. So you get the huge run up, trying to get the bounce here, and and then on this day you get a pretty good gap up. It closes around 190. It ends up opening up, I think 220-ish, somewhere around there. So not too bad of a gap up, but did end up having a decent move here pre-market that I thought might kill the play, but it ended up coming back, performing just as I usually would expect. Break the high day, that's the entry, and from there on, this one actually worked out really well. So sometimes, it really just depends on how many shorts are still trapped. But usually, when you get a decent bounce from the previous close, uh, it typically offers either no bounce or some difficult move like this. I don't typically see them take off kind of like CLVR the way that one did. But hey, at the end of the day, if the stock fails to break down and a lot of shorts are trapped in it, and it's uptrending, it could definitely squeeze higher. But just sticking to the data that I got, that's usually what happens. So just wanted to run through those two tickers, just give another overview of how I approach multi-day bounces and my thought process on them. So I hope this is useful to you at some point in trading. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have a great one.